everyone, this is Vaishali Shah, Chief Coach of Your Purpose Company. Welcome to Coach Speaks, a place where you ask and I answer. Today's question is given to us by Pooja, and she wants to know whether I should have baby number 2. Now, this is a very important decision that she needs to take. It's a decision with a lot of consequence and a lot of significance. And that's why it's very important that it's thought through thoroughly. Now, we all have these situations in our lives where we have to take these important decisions and we're at a cross junction in our life. Now, how do we choose? And so here I'd like to share a distinction. It's called choose freely. In choose freely, what we do is we remove all of these impacting factors on the decision. For example, in this question that you have, Pooja, I'm sure there would be a lot of factors affecting your decision, like what would my family say, what would my younger kid want, what about my career, what about my growth, what about society, all of these pressures that we have, whether I should do it, whether I should not. So there'll be a lot of factors, pro and con. This is where it gets confusing, when there are equally weighted factors on both the sides and you don't really know which is the one that you truly want to go ahead with, and that's why you're confused. Should I be doing this? Should I be doing that? And this confusion sort of takes up a lot of your mental space and it stresses you out. It stops you from clear thinking and the ability to make this decision. Choose freely negates all of these factors. So very quickly, the way you go on about it is you start thinking, what if these factors and fears didn't exist and they did not impact the decision? What if the family had no say in it? What if my career was okay? What if all of these financial constraints were not there? All of that. If it's not in the picture, what would I truly want? What would I truly choose? Would I choose to have a child because my other child wants some company, so to say, or because my parents are pressurizing me, or because my family wants it, or because everybody else is having child number 2 and my child will be left out? Or is it because I truly want to be a mother? I enjoy the process of being a mother. I enjoy the process of nurturing a new child in the life of child, taking care of the child. That's a process that I really want to undertake one more time, and I want to give it my all, which is why I choose to have baby number 2. If it's anything apart from that, and if it's because of society or because of some other reason, I truly don't want a child, then you should probably consider that it's for the best that you do not have child number 2 and you focus your energies on your firstborn, your only child, and nurture that child to become the best version of themselves, because anything else would be an injustice to both the children. I hope I have been able to give you a perspective. I know it's a process that requires a lot of self-awareness and a lot of questioning. So if you need help, you know where to find me. Even for the others who are trying to make a decision in their life and are struggling somewhere, which is the right decision to make, our contact details are listed below. So you can get in touch with us. Coaches are here to serve you and to help you. If you find whatever I had to say of value, give us a big thumbs up and a big like. Write down in the comments below if you have a question that you want us to answer on this series. Also write down if you have made a decision and you have used choosing freely as a distinction and whether it has really helped you. Thank you. I hope I've been of service. I'll see you in the next question.